Hello everybody, welcome back to Crypto Drawings. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw isometric circles. Before we start, those watching us for the first time, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel and like the video. So say for example you have a circle of radius 40 millimeters. That means that your diameter is going to be 80 millimeters. And you want to draw the circle into isometric view, so you are going to draw your isometric box, the first step. So you'll draw an isometric box 80 millimeters, isometric square, first. Remember, isometric, you do isometric drawings at 30 degrees angles. So that is basically going to be the first side of our isometric. So to do this, the first thing you have to do, you have to divide the lines into two, these ones, and you can also divide this and that into two by just measuring 40, then making an arc and another arc, then come to this side, make an arc, 40, make another arc. The next step you're going to do is draw the longest diagonal. The longest diagonal for the isometric square, that is for this one. So the other step is from the center line, from the centers you marked, draw a line to the other vertex, and from this other vertex draw another line to the center of the opposite side, like that. Now we have all the points we need to draw our isometric circle. So the next thing is just drawing our circle. So we are going to use this point as the radius. So we are going to draw quarters like that, then come to this side and draw another arc, just make an arc like that. Then using this as your other radius, make another arc like that. Then using this other part as your radius, you will also make another arc like that. So basically that is how your isometric circle will look like. Let me show you how it will look like in the other side. So sorry. 30 degrees, so at 30 we are going to measure 80 millimeters, then another 80, then just join that to that. So what you're going to do is draw your longest diagonal. So for this case, our longest diagonal will be this one here. That is going to be our longest diagonal. Then we've marked those, hoping that we'll mark the centers of your lines. So you are going to draw a line from this vertex here to the center, then come and draw another one from this vertex to the center of that other line. So the next thing is just to draw a circle. So you can start by this, but I usually prefer starting to draw larger circles. So these ones, just to draw a quarter, that. Then I come to this other side, draw that. Then using this as my radius, I'll draw that one there like that. Then come this other side, just like that. You'll have your circle there like that. With that done, let's go ahead and draw the upper isometric circle. So we are going to extend this, going to draw the line 80 millimeters long, then should join this one back there like that. So just repeat the same process. We are going to draw the longest diagonal for isometric square. That is going to be this side. So please do note, other people will actually tell you to join this one to draw all the two diagonals, but this one is not going to be useful anywhere, so I don't usually draw it. So please don't do it. Just to make your work look a bit more clean, don't do it. So the thing you're going to do now, with the centers marked, join the vertex like that. Then now proceed to draw your circle, isometric circle. So with this as my radius, I'm going to draw the upper part, the upper circle like that. Then come to this side. That was my center, my radius. I'm going to draw that one like that. Then using this as my other radius, then this other one. I'm going to have our isometric circle looking like that. Please do note that other people may tell you to mark your points by naming them. I don't prefer doing that, because that one makes your work look a little bit dirty. So please refrain from doing such. So that is the end of our video. Please make sure you practice, and remember that as you practice, the better you become. Thank you for watching. Share the video.